From VistaCreate, you might receive several types of emails, and you may want to receive some emails while you may not want to receive other emails. So in order to change up the preferences of the emails, you can go around onto the home page right here in VistaCreate and then click on your user icon right here. So once you go around over there, you can go around onto account settings, and from over here you can go to email preferences and you can see what emails you want to receive. So right now everything is unchecked. That means like transactional or guide and updates and so forth, like all of the emails are actually disabled. But let's say, for example, if you want to go around and then receive transactional emails right here, like regarding the billings and so forth, then you can turn that on in case you have a premium account. You can go around and enable guides and updates right here, meaning like if there's any updates regarding VistaCreate, then you'll receive an email regarding it. If there's any promotional email, you can go around and turn this on as well. And if there's any weekly templates that you need to stay updated with, to update with your design, then you can go around and turn this out as well. If you want to be notified about new graphics, you can go around and turn this out as well. And in case of blogs and so forth right here regarding VistaCreate, you can turn this out as well. So you can turn on and off different type of emails that you may want to receive. And if you don't want to receive any of the emails, you can just go around and then unsubscribe from all right here. So depending on what you want, you can go around and turn these email preferences on and then click on update my preferences to change out the email notification options according to how you want. And that is how you can work around with email preferences setting inside of VistaCreate. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.